Okay, for this video, I would like to take a moment to go over number 8. For number 8, it's just a little bit tedious. It's long. It's not like it's hard, but it does require you to solve, and you want to make sure that everything is done properly. So here we go. We see some parentheses, so we are going to distribute. So on the right-hand side, we have 6x plus 6. That's easy. That's very easy. On the left, we have a -2 sitting outside the parentheses, so we can distribute the whole thing into these two terms. So we have -8, -8, and then we have plus 6x, and then we still have the -7 right here, don't forget. So the first challenge is that do you know that you're distributing -2? And do you know that when you distribute the -2 into -3x, it produces plus 6x? Okay. And then we are like, okay, let's go ahead and combine some like terms here. We have -15, 6x, we have 6x plus 6. And at this point, you might find something kind of peculiar because you're like, wait, hold on. I've got 6 on the left and 6x on the right. So technically, I can subtract 6x on both sides and they are gone. And if they are gone, I'm left with this. This is -15 equals to 6. What is it? What is it? -15 equals to 6. That doesn't sound like a true statement at all. That sounds like it is totally false. This is a false statement. Okay, this is a false statement. Now, what does it mean when we have false statements here? And you don't see any x at the end. It means that it means that it doesn't really matter what x you're going to put in here. It doesn't matter what x you're going to put in here. It is going to be a false statement. So in this case, well, in other words, we really don't have any x value that would make this particular statement true. And if we don't have any x value or values that would make this statement or this equation true, then we say what? We say there's no solution. There is simply no solution. So it could happen. It could happen. I think back in Algebra 1, again, it's a long time ago, COVID times, you might have seen something like this. But either way, I want you to get comfortable with this kind of scenarios, situations that when you see a false statement, you know how to interpret the whole setting. You don't freak out and say, oh, what did I do? Okay, simply means that doesn't matter what x you put in there, nothing is going to turn out true. Okay.